Okay, y'all. Come on up in here. Come on, come on, come on. Because guess what we about to make? Some homemade cornbread from scratch. Now, I'm going to tell you what you can scratch. That Jiffy Mix. Go ahead, just take the box, throw it in the trash, okay? Preheat that oven to 400. This what I bake my bread on, and it turn out fine every time, okay? Just like me, fine like wine. Okay, then you're going to get that stick of butter inside that pan that you're gonna be baking your bread in, and you're gonna stick it in the oven. Next, we're gonna go ahead and start adding all our dry ingredients together, starting with that good old cornmeal. Now, if you use self-rising, don't use the baking powder that you're gonna see in the video. So you're gonna get your cornmeal in there first, then you're gonna get your flour in there next, my bad. You're gonna get your flour in there next. Then you're gonna pour your sugar. You don't want to use a lot because at the end, after you get done mixing your batter, you're gonna be adding some honey, which is gonna give it a nice, beautiful sweetness. Then you're gonna add your baking powder. Okay. Now I don't use self-rising because, baby, I create my own rise. Because we create magic in the kitchen. We get to control what's going inside of our batter, okay? So you're gonna mix this, okay? Now, even if your hand get tight, it's okay. It ain't nothing bad gonna happen to it, okay? So you just keep on mixing it so everything is evenly distributed throughout your mixture, okay? So we don't want lumps and clumps of flour in certain places, when we cut into our cornbread and eat it. So make sure you mix thoroughly, all right? So after you get done mixing, as you see, I'm just mixing, baby. I gotta get it even, okay? Because this gotta be the best bread ever, okay? And then you're gonna grab your milk. Whatever kind of milk you want to use is fine with me. This is just the kind of milk that I use. You're gonna pour your milk up in there, and you're gonna stir. You're gonna stir. Now you can do it in stages, so you won't have clumpy batter, whatever, but it should be stirrable like this. It shouldn't be so hard to where you about to break your wrist. Then that butter should be done. Grab that butter up out the oven. You're gonna pour it straight in that bowl with some honey, just like that, okay? And then once you do that, you're gonna mix it, make sure it's mixed very well, just like before, and then you're gonna go ahead and pour it up in the pan, just like that, okay? Just like that. Then you're gonna hit it on the counter a few times to get those air bubbles from out the bottom, and then you're gonna stick it in that oven. And you're gonna take it out once it get that beautiful caramel brown, like you see in front of you. Ooh wee. And then you're gonna lather it up with some butter. How many other times you wanna rub that butter on that bread? Go ahead, because I love butter on my bread. I don't add honey because the bread is already gonna have this nice, beautiful sweetness, like just natural sweetness to it, y'all. It's gonna be delicious, I promise. Try this recipe. Then after you get done buttering it, then you can eat it with whatever you want to eat it with. But as you see, this how the bread looks. Oh my goodness, so good.